Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 24th question in exercise 4.2. So here in this determinants value, we are supposed to prove it is equal to a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a minus b. Let's start with the first transformation. Column 1 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 and column 2 will become column 2 plus column 3. So let's start with the first one. So column 1 plus column 2. So it will become a plus b minus c and another a plus b minus c. As far as the third row in this column, it will become 0. Now for the column 2 is equal to column 3, if you add up, the first entry will become 0, the second will become b plus c minus a, the third one also will become b plus c minus a. The last column will remain as such, c minus b, c minus a and c. Now from the first column, you can see that these two values are the same and the last are 0, so we will still be able to take it out. So this is a plus b minus c, and similarly in the second column we see a b plus c minus a, so I'm taking that also together. So the first column will become 1 1 0, the second column will become 0 1 1, the last column is c minus b, c minus a and c. Now if you make one of this row 0, that is this particular entry, we will be able to directly do a transformation and enter, cross multiply and find the value. So I'm going to make the next transformation as R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So the determinant will become a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a. First row will be remain the same, so 1 0 c minus b. The second row is 1 minus 1 is 0. This is 1 minus 0 is 1, c minus a minus c plus b. So this will become actually b minus a. If you see, c minus a minus c plus b. So this will get cancelled. So it is b minus a. The last row I am retaining it as such. Now according to this particular determinant, the first column only there is one entry. So we can simply do a cross multiplication to solve it. So finally the determinant will look like a plus b minus c, b plus c minus a. Now for this cross multiplication, it is c minus of b minus a. So if you bring in the minus sign, it will become c minus b plus a or c plus a minus b. So we see that we reached the RHS and hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 25th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.